How to fix unable to install apps on iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, check your internet connection works properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open your settings and then click on general. Now click on iPhone storage. Now here you can free up some space. After free up some space by deleting videos, photos, any extra apps. After that, go back and scroll down and click on screen time and then click on content and privacy restrictions. If you turn on content and privacy restrictions, then turn it off. After turn off your content and privacy restrictions, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.